Tes, tes, 1, 2, 3, tes. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Describe and IT equipment specification. Keyboard description. A computer the keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and function into the computer system by pressing button or key. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard, the typical contains keys, the four individual letters, number, and special character, as well as key for specific function. The keyboard is connected to a computer system or wireless connection. Most keyboards have very similar layout. The individual key for letters, number, and special character are collectively called the character key. The layout of this key is deviated from the original layout of key on a type weird. The most widely used layout in the English language is called let QWERTY, named after the question of the first 6 letters from the top left. Describe the specification on the equipment. Application is the general purpose or commercial. Connection type is a cable or wireless. Form factor is a desktop or enclosed. The closer or adapter plate material is plastic. Keys or other material, the rubber or elastomer keyboard. Number of key is the X3 to 3 to 4 3 to 1 4 1 2. Keyboard interface is a USB or serial. Integral pointing device is a mouse keypad. Special features is non-verification. Way of working is wireless radio. The key frequency 200 for 204 millihertz. This 200 for 85 millihertz for text. 3 electric current 1.5 MA.